Add lighting to stairs, shelves, under cabinets, and more with LED tape light kits from PLT Solutions. These convenient all-in-one kits come with everything you need for quick plug-and-play installations that take only minutes. For applications where shorter runs of tape light are needed, PLT Solutions offers a 4-foot LED RGBW tape light kit. This kit comes with 4 12-inch strips of RGBW LED tape light. Featuring a 3M adhesive backing, they produce a 3000 Kelvin warm light and 15 preset RGB colors. This kit also includes a 12-volt power supply, inline controller with 24-key remote, 3 connector wires, and 8 mounting clips. The remote lets you control the color, brightness, and mode settings. The preset modes are flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. All 4 strips combined use up to 11.6 watts and deliver up to 181 lumens per foot. For applications where longer runs of light are needed, PLT Solutions offers multiple kits with 16-foot spools of tape light. The 3000K warm light and 4000K cool light kits include a 24-volt LED driver and an inline controller with 11-key remote. The tape light has a 3M adhesive backing, and the LEDs are designed to be one continuous piece, producing a solid light the entire length of the tape with no pixelation. The remote controls the brightness and selects from 8 different preset modes, including steady on, flash, and strobe. The 3000K spool uses 30 watts and delivers 156 lumens per foot, while the 4000K spool uses 33.5 watts and emits 186 lumens per foot. The RGBW kit includes a 24-volt power supply, inline controller with 24-key remote, 2 5-pin connectors, and 5 mounting clips with screws. Like the 4-foot strip kit, this tape has a 3M adhesive backing and lets you switch between a 3000K light and preset RGB colors by using the remote. For added customization, these spools and strips can be cut on the notated cutting marks. These LED tape light kits are CE certified and UL rated for use in indoor dry locations. Find these kits and more LED tape lighting at 1000bulbs.com.